Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I just wanted to give you a quick update. For those of you who are new here, for those of you who've never seen me in your life, my name is Melissa. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the reason you haven't seen me is because I haven't posted in a long time. All right, in March of 2023, I decided to pursue my passion and enroll in nursing school. But I've been balancing life. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I'm also a caregiver to my mother. So I decided to just, study nursing, pursue my BSN, and I'm in an advanced study, right? An advanced study program. And that's what I've been doing. But I decided to reignite my journey in affiliate marketing and just share whatever knowledge I have with you, proven tips, proven strategies on how to make money online, and just activities that you need to be doing in order to make money online. Whether you already have a job, whether you're a nursing student, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whether you just want to work remotely, I'm just going to be providing tips and strategies on this channel, sharing my journey with you, sharing my journey as a nursing student and an affiliate marketer. I work remotely from home. I'm also a freelance Spanish interpreter. But I just wanted to let you know what I'll be doing in the next videos to come. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I'm doing right now. If you want to earn a passive income right now, you could just click on the link below. Check it out. It's free to get started. It's an income system that's free to get started. Watch the video, follow the steps, and I'll see you on the inside. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you until next time. Stay blessed.